everyone, welcome back to our WordPress Basics series. In the last video, we've talked about creating a post in WordPress. If you haven't checked it out yet, go give it a watch. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how to set up a blog page for your post. So let's get started. So, if you got a news or blog website, it's a great idea to show your blog post right on your homepage. And by default, WordPress does this for you. The homepage is the first page people see when they visit your site, and WordPress shows you most recent posts there, which makes sense if you are running a blog website. To check this setting, simply go to your dashboard, hover over Settings, and click on Reading. Here, you will see your homepage display options, and it should be set to your latest post, which means all your posts are showing up on your homepage. But what if you're running a business or service site? In that case, showing posts on the homepage might not be ideal. You probably want your homepage to highlight your business, services, or products instead. So it's a good idea to create a separate page for your blog post, as you can see over here. This setup helps you keep your homepage clean and focused while still giving your readers a dedicated space to explore your blog content. And you know what's the best part is? It's really easy to create the blog page. Here's how you can do it. From your dashboard menu, select Pages, click on Add New Page. The first thing you need to do is to create a page that you want to display as a home page, which you can do it over here. I already have created one, so I'm skipping it. Once you have created your page or already have one designed, click on this Add New Page button again to create a blog page. Let's name it Blog. You can either name this blog, post, or news, whatever you want. Just name it what suits your brand. This page title will be the name of the page where the blog resides. So having a catchy title really helps. Once you have named it, hit on the Publish button, and that's it. Now go back to your dashboard and go to Settings, then Readings. Now switch from your latest post to a static page and pick the page you just created as a home page. I've named it as home page, so selecting it. For the post page, select your blog page, and that's it, you're done. You can also choose how many posts you want to show per page. Usually 5 or 10 works well. Keeping it at 5. Another thing to think about is whether you want to show the full text or just an excerpt. That's a preview. I recommend going with the preview option. That way your page stays clean and doesn't get messy. From this preview option, the reader can get an idea what this blog is all about. And if he wants to read it, then he can click on it and read the full text. WordPress automatically creates excerpts, but if you want to add your own, you can do that when creating a post. I have discussed it in my post video. Now, the theme you use will have a big impact on how everything looks. I'm using the X-Pro theme right now, but in the next video, I will explain more about themes, what they are, and how to set them up. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss it. Now, when we go back to our pages, here you can see this post written right next to our blog page. You don't need to manually add posts. WordPress will automatically show all your posts on this page. The blog page is set. Let's have a look. Okay, so here you can see the static homepage. It's just a template I have imported. In the navigation menu, the blog is missing. Simply click on this Customize button. From the left hand side, select Menu. I have this menu created. Clicking on it. Okay, so this menu has all my pages. I just need to check this primary menu option. And that's it. Now here you can see my menu. Just hitting the Publish button and we're done here. Now let's click on this blog page, and here it displays all my blog. So this is how you can create a separate blog page for your blogs. But what if you want to display your blog list on other static pages like your home page? You can do that too. It's really easy. Just go to the pages and select the page where you want to display your blog list. I'm selecting home page, edit, and now from the blog menu, search for the post and add the post blog. And that's it. There you go. Your post will appear. From there, you can decide if you want them in a list or grid format, customize what info shows up, excerpt, display author name, post date, featured image. You can even style it from here. You've got plenty of options to play with. So that's it. Now you know how to set up a blog page for your post. In the next video, we will be diving into themes, so make sure to stick around for that. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tips.